Start by measuring and cutting the base to size. Measurements will depend on how small or large you'd like the island to be. Next, attach wheels to the bottom. Put 2 casters that do not swivel on one end and 2 casters that do swivel on the other end and screw them into place. Turn over the bottom so the casters are on the floor. Next, set a filing cabinet on one side of the base, lining it up to the edge of the side. Nail it into place at an angle with a brad nailer. Then, sit a crate on the base, lining it up to the other side. Then, nail it in place using a brad nailer. After that, cut 2 pieces of 1 by 2 inch wood the size of the depth of the crate. Place them as a spacer and nail them into place. Then, put the last crate on top and nail it into place. After that, place the top on the island and nail it into place. Next, sand all the raw wood as smooth as possible. Leave it like this or add a coat of paint. Here's how. After sanding, apply wood filler to any holes in the surface. Then, remove the hardware from the filing cabinet. Next, clean the filing cabinet with TSP. After that, prime the surface of the whole island and let it dry. Then, grab your desired paint color and paint it. Add a sealer for extra durability. This is such a great space saver and perfect to help you get totally organized. This project can be painted, stained, or customized to fit any space and can be put together in an afternoon. How would you finish the island? Let us know in the comments. Want to make this project? Here's what you'll need. A measuring tape, 2 pieces of wood for the base and top of your island, 2 swivel caster wheels, 2 non-swivel caster wheels, a filing cabinet, a brad nailer, 2 wooden crates, a 1 by 2 inch board, sandpaper or a sanding block, spackling or wood filler to fill the holes, a drill, TSP, primer, and a paint color of your choosing and a brush. I hope this inspires you to get your office totally organized. Thanks for watching Home Talk. See you in our next video.